In this chapter, we studied Unit 2nd, Trigonometry, Unit 2nd, Trigonometry, Part B. So, in triangle ABC, first point is trigonometric function. Trigonometric functions of angles of triangle. Triangles. So, first upon, in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree or pi radian. Then first formula is sin A plus B is equal to sin C. Then sin B plus C is equal to sin A, and sin A plus C is equal to sin B. Then second formula, A plus B, then remaining is C, so sin C. Then second formula is cos A plus B is equal to cos B plus C, and here cos A plus C. Cos A plus B is the minus cos C. Cos B plus C is the minus cos A. In terms of cos, here only minus sign. Cos A plus C is the cos minus cos B. Then we give the proof. In any triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Means A plus B is equal to pi minus C. This is first equation. Then first we prove that taking sine ratio on both sides, hence sin A plus B, याला साइन रेशो पुट करायचा. पाय मायनस सी इज द साइन पाय मायनस सी, but sin pi minus theta is the sin theta, and since sin pi minus theta is equal to sin theta, means sin pi minus c is the sin c, hence sin A plus B is equal to sin C. Also, similarly, we prove that sin B plus C is equal to sin A, and sin A plus C is equal to sin B. This is first. Then second, to the second equation, taking cosine ratio of both sides of equation 1. Here cosine ratio means cos A plus B is equal to cos pi minus C. But cos pi minus theta is the minus cos theta, means minus cos C. Similarly, we can prove that cos B plus C is equal to minus cos A, and cos A plus C is equal to minus cos B. And further, we can prove the third formula is sin A plus B upon 2 is equal to cos C upon 2. Sin B plus C upon 2 is the cos A upon 2, and sin A plus C upon 2 is equal to cos B upon 2. Then fourth formula is sin itself the cos A plus B and remaining is C. Then for this proof is for any triangle ABC, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Hence A plus B upon 2 is equal to pi upon 2 minus C upon 2. But here for first prove that taking sin ratio of both sides, and sin A plus B upon 2 is equal to sin pi by 2 minus C upon 2. But sin pi by 2 minus C upon 2 is equal to sin is equal to cos C by 2, hence which is the formula. And similarly we can prove that sin B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A upon 2, and sin a plus c upon 2 is equal to cos b upon 2. And for the fourth formula, we prove fourth formula, taking cosine ratio on both sides. Hence, cos a plus b upon 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 minus c by 2. But cos pi by 2 minus c by 2 is the sin c by 2. Hence, cos a plus b upon 2 is equal to sin c by 2. Similarly, we can prove that cos b plus c upon 2 is equal to sin a upon 2, and cos a plus c upon 2 is the sin b upon 2. Then we give first example. In any triangle ABC, prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c is equal to 4 cos a into cos b into sin c. So, first upon how to prove this. So, first upon consider LHS side is equal to sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c. Then using here by the formula sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. Hence we get sin 2a plus sin b is equal to 2 sin c plus d means 2a plus 2b upon 2 into cos c minus d means 2a minus 2b upon 2 minus sin 2c. But 2 sin, suppose here common from 2 upon 2 into cos, here common from 2 then 2 and 2 cancel, hence is equal to 2 sin a plus b into cos 2 cancel a minus b minus sin 2c, and which is equal to, but we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree. Hence a plus b is equal to 180 minus c. So put this value in this equation. A plus b we put 180 to sine 180 degree minus c into cos a minus b minus, but sine to c, since sine to theta is equal to 2 sine c into cos c, and sine to c is the 2 sine c into cos c. Hence 2 sine, but sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta, and sine 180 minus c is the sine c into cos a minus b minus 2 sine c into cos c. Hence here we common 2 sine c, so in bracket cos a minus b minus cos c. But here since a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree, hence c is equal to 180 minus a plus b. So this c value put in this 2 sine c cos a minus b minus cos 180 degree minus a plus b. Hence 2 sine c cos a minus b, but we know that since cos 180 degree minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, means cos 180 degree minus theta is the minus cos theta, so minus minus plus cos theta means plus cos a plus b. But this is the formula for but cos a plus b, since cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to 2 cos a into cos b, which is the formula, is put in this 2 cos a into cos b, hence 2 sin c in bracket हे पुट करायचं 2 cos a into cos b, but 2 into 2 4 into cos a into cos b into sin c, and which is equal to this. is the right hand side. Hence LHS is equal to RHS, and sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2b is equal minus sine 2c is equal to 4 cos A into cos B into sine C. Then you give third proof. If A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, then prove that cos square A minus cos square B plus cos square C is equal to 1 minus 2 sin A into cos B into sin C. So for this, first upon consider LHS side is equal to this cos square A minus cos square B plus cos square C, and which is equal to, we know that cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. Hence cos square A means 1 plus cos 2A upon 2 minus plus cos square C means 1 plus cos 2C upon 2 minus cos square B. Then we common from this is 1 by 2, then in bracket 1 plus cos 2A plus 1 plus cos 2C minus cos square B, and which is equal to 1 plus 1 2, and 2 and 2 cancel, so 1 plus, then 1 by 2 common, in bracket cos 2A plus cos 2C minus cos square B. But here we use the formula cos C plus cos D. So cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. Hence one use this formula. Cos C plus cos D is the 2 cos C plus D means 2A plus 2C upon 2 into cos C minus D means 2A minus 2C upon 2 minus cos square B. Then we simplified this. Then next step is 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 cos 2a. here 2 कॉमन घेतलं तर 2 कॅन्सल होणार. इन ब्रॅकेट a plus c into cos. here 2 कॉमन घेतलं तर a minus c upon 2 means 2 कॅन्सल होणार. means cos a minus c minus cos square b. hence then 1 plus 2 into 2 cancel होना. then cos a plus c into cos a minus b minus cos square b. but we given that a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree. then a plus c is equal to 180 degree minus b. so in this put this equation 1 plus a plus c means 180 minus b into cos a minus c into minus cos square b. and we know that since cos 180 degree minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, hence 1 cos 180 minus theta is the minus cos theta means minus cos b into cos a minus c minus cos square b. then we common from this is minus cos b. so in bracket cos a minus c minus and plus here plus cos b into cos b cos square b. and next step is 1 minus cos b, but cos a plus c is equal to cos 180 minus b. cos a plus c means cos 180 minus b, and which is equal to minus cos b means cos b is equal to cos minus cos b is equal to minus cos this. then cos a minus c cos b is the minus cos a plus c. then here we use the formula since cos c minus cos d is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into sin d minus c upon 2 means here kind of 1 minus cos b. here cos c minus cos d means c is the a minus c, so 2 sin c plus d. c means a minus c plus d means a plus c upon 2 into sine d minus c. D is the a plus c minus c is the a plus c upon 2. माइनस माइनस प्लस होणार इथे. सो and which is equal to 1 minus cos b two sin c cancel now 2a upon 2 means a and sin a cancel c plus c 2c upon 2 is the c is equal to 1 minus 2 sin a 1 minus 2 sin a into cos b into sin c, and which is equal to this right hand side, hence LHS is equal to RHS, hence this is proved. Then we give next example. We give fourth example. Prove that cot b into cot c plus cot c into cot a plus cot a into cot b is equal to 1. So first upon, in any triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is equal to pi, hence a plus b is equal to pi minus c. Then taking tangent on both sides, hence we get tan a plus b is equal to tan pi minus c. But tan a plus b is the formula tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b, which is equal to tan is equal to minus tan c. Since tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, hence tan pi minus c is the minus tan c. Then here tan a plus tan b, then this and this multiplied, so tan minus tan c in bracket 1 minus tan a into tan b. So first upon, solve this bracket. Tan a plus tan b is equal to minus tan c into 1 is minus tan c, and minus minus plus into tan a into tan b into tan c. Tan a into tan b into tan c. Hence this is divided by tan a into tan b into tan c on both sides. then we get tan A, याला tan A ला tan A into tan B into tan C ने डिवाइड केलं तर tan A कॅन्सल होणार आणि 1/tan B into tan C means tan A upon plus tan B upon tan A into tan B into tan C and which is equal to इथे minus tan C it's so first upon minus tan C इथे येणार so plus होणार so plus tan C tan A into tan B into tan C and which is equal to this upon tan A into tan B is equal to 1 into tan B into tan C upon tan A into tan B into tan C tan A tan B tan C ने divide केलं तर which is the value tan A cancel tan B cancel tan C cancel so 1 upon tan A B into tan C plus 1 upon tan A into tan C plus 1 upon tan A into tan B and this cancel is equal to 1 is equal to 1 but 1 upon tan theta since 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot theta hence 1 upon tan theta is the cot B into cot C plus cot A into cot C plus cot A into cot B and which is equal to 1 hence this is proved